33 IPOs, if you see, were listed in July and August. And, few of them actually, if you see, have given a negative returns, but quite a few have given a positive returns too. Starting with, let's see which are those IPOs which have given negative returns from their issue price. Starting with Raymond Realty, if you see, the return from issue price till date have been negative 38%, followed by Aromatics, which is at 11%, negative 11% returns. Then you have IndiCube and Kalpataru as well, which have given negative returns since their issue price. Even Brigade Hotel, Mangal Electric and Indo-Gulf Crop Sciences are also in the list when it comes to the IPOs which have not performed well. Moving on, let's see, a lot of IPOs actually have given a positive returns, giving up good gains to investors. Starting with Aditya Infotech, if you see, have given 85% of return, then followed by NSDL, which is at 56%, and even few of the other IPOs which have given good returns. You have Sambhav Steels Tubes, you have Atham Biosciences and GNG Electronics, which are gaining positive, and investors are very happy when it comes to these IPOs. But talking about the what is the commentary when it comes to the outlook going beyond FY26, if I were to talk about, starting with Aditya Infotech. So top 5 IPO performers, let's see what their commentary are, starting with Aditya Infotech. So, the EBITDA margin, if you see, they're expecting 10 to 11% with PAT margin of 6 to 7%. Moving on, let's see which is the other stock, NSDL, which they expect to benefit from new revenue streams. It's what they have said in their Q1 FY26 con call. Even Sambhav Steels Tubes, FY26 revenue is expected to grow over 32%, and revenue is expected to double around 4,500 crore in FY28 over FY26. This is what they said to NDTV Profit. Then Sambhav Steel, so they are also expecting margin of 12 to 13% in next 1 to 2 years. So good growth when it comes to Sambhav Steel. Even Atham Biosciences, they are expecting to maintain the historical growth rate of 20% that they have shown. Moving on, GNG Electronics, they are expecting a 25% of top line CAGR, which has been guided for FY26, and margin improvement of 75 to 100 basis points per annum over next few years is what is they are expecting. So, a lot of IPOs have given good returns, and investors are actually positive when it comes to these companies, because only 8 of the IPOs have given negative returns. But when it comes to sentiment around IPOs, so you're seeing good returns for the investors.